Hello and welcome to In Goa News. We are here for Goa Regional Casting for Elite Model Look 2017, and this is the 4th edition of the event, which has collected like many good talents from the country, all over the country. We have with us Mr. Mark Robinson over here, one of the prestigious names from the film industry. So, sir, can we what has been your journey and how was the experience for the event today?
Well, we are in Goa for Elite Model of 2017 for our castings, auditions in Goa. The boys and girls who turned up were very, very good. Great looking boys and girls, good quality. I'm happy that for the first time we've held auditions, castings in Goa. The turnout was good. And I hope that the boys and girls get to fulfill their dreams and come to Bombay for the national casting and do well in that.
So how was the experience for this event with the new talent you got up over here?
I think the talent that we witnessed today was good. The boys and girls who turned up for the castings were fabulous. We had a lot of boys and girls who turned up and a few have been selected. They will now move on to the national casting, which will be held in Mumbai on the 30th of August.
Okay, so how you're looking forward for that event?
Absolutely, we're looking forward to that because we have our contestants from all over the country, and then after that we'll pick 8 boys and 8 girls, and then we'll come back to Goa for the finale on the 29th of September.
So we are here with one of the finalists, Mr. Vinay Shivas. So we are going to ask a few questions to him. So Vinay, how are you feeling about the event and how was your experience today? And how do you feel like after being one of the finalists for such a prestigious event?
Okay, the event was good and I'm really feeling happy after the results. All the judges and all the staff, they all were good. So I'm feeling good after the results now.
So how did you prepare particularly for this event, and what were your prior preparations? You did anything special or out of the box as compared to other finalists? What do you think?
Okay, nothing special I have done actually, but I was preparing from last 10 days for this event. Actually, I was really looking forward for this event. So nothing much I have done. That's it.
Thank you, Vinay, so much. We have with us Ms. Sadia Khan, who's a finalist for the event. She's going to tell us something about her preparations and what does she feel after being one of the finalists for such a prestigious and sought-after event.
I think I feel really great and blessed that I made it through the finals, and all the girls are lucky who cleared the first round, and I wish everyone all the best. Actually worked really hard for this elite. Worked on my body, worked on my diet. So it was not easy, but made it to the finals. I'm very happy. Thank you.
Any special moment you enjoyed today?
Yeah, actually, I tried giving audition at 2014 and I got rejected because I was chubby. Then I came here after 2 years and now I got selected. So it's a big moment for me and it's unreal.
So what did you do actually for the X-axis? Whatever corrections were told to you?
I worked on my body, as I said earlier, and I worked on my diet because diet and body is what you got for. And eat diet and all that, workout and all that. Yeah.
So how do you foresee for the final event? What are you looking ahead to?
I will train my body for the best, and I will work harder, and I hope I will make to the final as well.
So this was from the auditions of Goa Elite Model Hunt 2017. Now the finalists are going to carry further for their semi-finals in Mumbai, and after that the finals will be held in Goa, and we wish them all the best for their further journey. This is for In Goa News, signing off, Sumati Thakur.